This is Lois. I have Berto here.
Yeah.
And in Espanol, he's gonna explique.
Plantar.
Explantar.
Plantar.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Plantar.
Ajá.
Okay.
Plantas nuevas.
Sí,
Muy
muchas.
buenas. Bonito.
Muy bonito.
Ok. Ok, este aquí y este acá.
Over here, over there.
Ajá. Ok.
Okay, perfecto.
Perfecto.
And,
Toda planta bonito, new es bonito. New
Sí.
es bonito.
well, there you have the quick version of what we're doing. Are we doing something over there? Oh, we're doing something over there too.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is how you do it. Berto's going to show you how to do it. All right, fácil.
Ajá, fácil.
Meanwhile, we're cutting the grass with a weed whacker over there. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, this is how we go. We're fitting it for size. This is how we do it.